the crowd flow throughout the day, I believe, would need the ability to adjust different volumes in different areas. So you have an outdoor space, which a speaker outside is completely different sound and a needed sound level than a speaker within an enclosed building. So if the building fills up, you need to turn that one up, but maybe no one's outside, or the outside is getting busy because the more people that come in and they start talking, and then you have to turn the music up, and then they talk louder. They have to turn the music up and they talk louder, right? The separation of and/or space within the space, I believe, being able to adjust those volumes can enhance the experience, because if too many people get in there and you're like, I don't want to turn it up outside because it'll be too loud inside, then you're compromising your experience.